Scared of dermal filler or neurotoxin complications? With the proper live facial anatomy training, you can be prepared to handle any situation for better patient outcomes. Join Empire Medical Training's Hands-On Dissection Cadaver Workshop for Aesthetics on Saturday, May 2nd, 2026, in Los Angeles, California. This course will teach you how to accurately identify facial danger zones, techniques to reduce complications and improve patient safety, real-world application through hands-on cadaver dissection. Using simulated dermal filler and neurotoxin products, you'll inject on cadaver specimens to understand how different layers of the skin interact with injectables. The course includes bonus ultrasound training to give you an even deeper understanding of facial anatomy. Earn 8 Category 1 credits and join more than 200,000 graduates who trust Empire Medical Training with their continuing medical education and lifelong learning goals. Join us at the Sheraton Grand Downtown Los Angeles on Saturday, May 2nd, 2026. Visit empiremedicaltraining.com or call 844-565-3131 to reserve your seat.